Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review portable electric heater that will be really useful in winters. Also you can use it as a portable fan in summer. Before opening the box, actually I'm in California. Usually California is not that cold, but during winters it's kind of cold. Also I do have a central heater, but again not everyone in the house likes to turn on the heater at night. So just not to make everyone uncomfortable, so I just got this portable heater. I've been using it for some time and it is really good. And also it is affordable, which is less than 40 bucks. So let's get started. Here is the electric heater and I'm using this one for a month right now, and it warms up your room super fast. The most important part of this heater is to know the control panel. So you guys can take a look on the right side to me. So I don't know, it's left side for you, but on the right side, this is the temperature you can adjust. So it ranges from 0 Fahrenheit to 158 Fahrenheit, which is a lot, like 158. Like I'm not going to use 158 for my room. So you can just adjust the temperature from 0 to 158 Fahrenheit. And on the left side, we have the fan option. The first one is off and the other one is the fan. And there is number 1 and number 2. So the number 1 is like it uses 750 watt, and if you use number 2 it uses 1500 watt. So depends upon your source of power electricity, you can use number 1 or number 2. And the thermostat, it depends on how much temperature you set it to. If you set it to 75, the moment it reaches the 75, it automatically turns off the heater. Also when the temperature drops below 75, it turns on again. Also it has a secured feature that is under the heater, the button here. If it falls by accident, like because of your pet or your kid, if it falls down, so it just turns off. It is 10 inch tall and 7.5 inches wider. It's very lightweighted. And coming to the heating section, like it can heat up to 200 square feet room within minutes. And to just turn on, like I am just setting this one, you see. And right now I'm using 1500 watt. I just want to change it to 750, and I can feel the hot air blows from the front side. It is noisy, but again it is lower than 45 decibel, so it doesn't disturb you from sleeping. Also when it is running and something, if you're hit by accident during your sleep, it will turn off the moment you just, so that is the most important safety feature of this one. Also if the thermostat overheats, it will turn off automatically when it overheats. And you can use this one for camping, or not the exact outdoor, but in your living room or game room, anything that is under or equal to 200 square feet. It warms up pretty fast. I'll put the product link in the description. It's very affordable and it's available in 2 colors, black and silver. Black is a couple of bucks more than the silver one. I think this is 37 or something, and the other one is 40. And that's it for today's review, and I've been using it for some time and it is really good. It works super fast and it warms up your room super fast. That's all for our review today. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please don't forget to hit the like button Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.